What's up, everyone? Welcome to a new video. Today we're actually going out and enjoying ourselves at the Medicine Exhibition Stampede. We're going to the Stampede grounds, which is basically your guys' fairgrounds in States, because it's different. You know what about it, right?
Well, it's different everywhere.
Yeah.
Like when I lived in Winnipeg, it was the Red River X.
Yeah. So we're going to go check that out for the day.
It's our summer fair, exhibition, whatever you want to call it from wherever you're from.
Yep. We're going to go check it out. There's lots going on. Apparently there's lots going on. This evening there's a concert going on.
Which we can't go to, but we'll listen to it.
Yes.
We'll be able to hear it.
We want to get tickets for it, but
it's so expensive.
It's Vanilla Ice, CNC Music Factory, and Colored Bad. They're playing tonight. The other night was Dean Brody and
Tyler Joe Miller
on Wednesday, and then Thursday? Was it Thursday? Thursday it was another country artist.
Or was it Friday?
No, Friday was the rodeo.
Okay, then it was Thursday.
So there's lots going on. There's exhibition. What's it? What the heck's it called?
I don't even know what you're trying to say.
Exhibition art and stuff like that.
There's display, like I guess what they call static displays.
Yep.
I think is what they call it. Just like different displays that people put
Artwork
entries in. There's like baking. There's crafts. There's artwork. So we're gonna check that out.
Yep. There's food.
There's always food.
The fair, the Midway.
I'm gonna try. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this or not. But there's a psychic there.
Really?
And I want to see if she would be willing to do my reading on camera
We'll see.
for you guys.
We'll wait and see.
I want to see if I could do that. If not, obviously it's not going to be on here. But I just kind of want to see if
we're
she
just
would.
going to have some fun, basically.
Yeah, let's go out and enjoy ourselves in
and you guys are
the
going to
heat. At least it's not 38 like it was the other day.
So let's go enjoy this Stampede, right?
Yeehaw! You can still burn today, though.
Well, guys, we're down at Pioneer Village. We just went to the petting zoo.
The one sheep.
There's one sheep beside. But we're going to look around here for a little bit, I think. We might go to the barns to see, because some of the stuff's open, so we're going to go check it out.
I don't think the barns itself are open. I think it's just these old houses and schools and whatnot.
So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Well, guys, we're a little bit going to go home. We're going to go home. We're going to take a little break from it, from the grounds, and then come back.
We're going to go grab something to eat.
Yep. And then come back to the grounds. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit, right?
Wrong.
Yeah. See you guys in a bit.
A few hours later.
Well, guys, we decided to just come home because, as you can see over here, we got storms coming in for this evening. It looks like there's storms coming our way, so we decided it would be a good idea to hang out at the Stampede grounds and hang out for the rest of the evening. So we decided to go home. As you can see, the wind's picking up and everything, so we're just gonna chill out at the rest home. But we're gonna continue this vlog into tomorrow. So stay tuned and see what we do tomorrow, because we're gonna be vlogging all day tomorrow too, and we also have our live. So don't forget about that. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. What's up, everybody? It's Sunday. We're just outside. We're gonna be doing some gardening work here in a few minutes here, picking up all the stuff in our, well, you can see it in our garden, all our vegetables and everything that we got growing on. But as you can see right now, it's very sunny and not cloud sky. But later this evening, we are in for some severe weather. Well, you know, severe weather coming. Not very nice. It's gonna be very nasty this evening, by the sounds of it. We're supposed to get tennis ball size hail, wind gusts up to 120 kilometers an hour, rain, you name it, possible tornadoes, and we're gonna try to vlog as much as we can for that. But anyways, we're gonna get this done and before storms come, and you're gonna come along with us for the rest of the day and see what we end up doing. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Well, guys, you can see Rheanna's picking the beans, right?
I'm working on it.
Working on the beans, and then we got some like peas here too that we're picking. We got lots of peas and beans picking right now. So we're gonna finish this off, and I think what we're doing after this, don't know. But stay tuned, and we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Well, guys, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We just finished our live. We didn't come on the live, and if you did come on live, thanks for coming in and checking us out. We're actually going to be going out in a little bit here to get some stuff done before the storms come in, and then who knows what's going to happen tonight. So stay tuned, and we'll find out what if we get these storms that we're supposed to be getting. And yeah, so we'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Several hours later.
Well, guys, we're going to close out the vlog for tonight. As you can see, we got the storm coming in. It's actually raining right now. I don't know if you can hear the thunder and all that. We're just outside. I don't know if you can see the rain coming in, but we got lightning all over the place. We're going to close this down before it gets even worse. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, smash the like button, check us out on all our social media platforms, which will be on the link down in the description below. And we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Hopefully we stay alive. Good night, everyone.